Hello Bacha Party. Today we are going to start science of class 6. Yeah. But which chapter we are going to start? That given by the answer from you. Let's try it. Okay. I will ask some questions to you. You have to give me the answers. Okay. Vehicles which is travel from one place to another. How they travel? Or we can say the fan is going to be around. फैन चल रहा है, उसका रीजन क्या है? सिंपली यस, एनर्जी. So everything which is going to be a travel from one place to another, or the things which is work, they need some energy. Okay, so human are also work, they are also travel from one place to another. So is it they need some energy? Yes, bachalo. Okay, now take another example that particularly vehicle get energy from the petrol, diesel, LPG, or the fan get energy from electricity, solar energy, wind energy. So how the human get energy? Yes, bachalo, they are getting energy from the food. So our chapter going to be start from chapter number first is the food. Okay, so we are eating food, clear? So your friend is also eating food, but when you call your friend and ask that which type of food or fruits, vegetables they had eaten, so the same thing is eaten by your friend or not? No. Suppose that you had eaten the particular curry in the particularly lunchtime, is it your friend is also eaten the same thing? No. Means from home to home the food is going to be a change. Okay, if you had eaten the bread and jam in the breakfast, is it you are eating the same thing in the dinner time? No. Means for time to time also food is going to be a change. मतलब हम सुबह में जो खा रहे वो दोपहर या रात को नहीं खाते, ठीक है? मतलब सुबह में जो खाया वो रात को हम नहीं खा रहे. हम जो खा रहे वो जरूरी नहीं है कि हमारा फ्रेंड भी खाए. मतलब होम टू होम, मतलब कि प्लेस टू प्लेस फूड चेंज हो रहा है. क्लियर? टाइम टू टाइम भी फूड चेंज हो रहा है. इवन दैट सीजनल टू सीजनल आल्सो फूड आर गोइंग टू बी चेंज. चलो मैंगो हमने खाया, इफ वी हैड ईटन द मैंगो पर्टिकुलरली इन द समर सीजन, क्या हमें वो विंटर या मानसून में मिलेगा? नो बच्चा लो. क्लियर? सो फ्रॉम सीजन टू सीजन, from place to place, from time to time, the food is going to be a change. If you had eaten the dal, rice in the Gujarat or at one particular place, तो क्या वो साउथ के अंदर भी वही खाया जाएगा? नहीं. वहां पे तो क्या खाते नॉर्मली? यस, इडली, सांबार, वो सब खाते हैं. मतलब प्लेस टू प्लेस भी ये चेंज हो रहा है. क्लियर बच्चा लो? नाउ so the thing is that from the discussion we get that food varieties. Yes, bacha. Means particularly from that we can find out that food are the various type of food are present on the earth. Even the various type of food we are eat at different time of interval. हर एक समय पे हम अलग अलग फूड खाते हैं. मतलब क्या हुआ, हमारे पास फूड वेराइटीज बहुत सारी है. क्लियर? तो हम इसमें से क्या लिखेंगे? food varieties. Food change from place to place, time to time. Here बच्चा. Now let us take one example that rice. After that, roti, or we can say idli. There are many types of foods are available. Clear? So we have taken some of the example that rice, roti, idli, etc. But now the question is arise that how this food is prepared, वो कैसे बनता है? डायरेक्ट तो हमने प्रकट तो नहीं कर लिया कहीं से. यस, तो ये क्वेश्चन अराइज हो रहा है. सो पर्टिकुलरली राइस को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? एक तो वाटर, आफ्टर दैट वी नीड salt, oil. Clear? So to prepare the rice, we first need the another thing is that raw rice. मतलब कि सिर्फ चावल लेते हैं, राइस लेते हैं, ठीक है. After that we have to boil that rice with the help of water and we have to add salt. When we show the cookery show, we can show that स्वाद अनुसार नमक डालिए, ठीक है. After that we need oil also to prepare the rice. Means what? After that, this is the particular column of rice. Now, if you want to prepare the roti, or you can say chapati, clear? So, which thing we needed? Particularly, we need water, oil, salt, flour, or you can say atta. Clear bachcha? So to prepare different type of dishes, we need different type of materials. Yes, these all the things are known as material. Clear bachcha? If you want to write this thing, write it. I hope so you had written these things or you had taken the screenshot. Clear? Now, this material is also known as a ingredients. What? Ingredients. Yes, it's also known as ingredients. मतलब कि हम normally we had seen in the cookery shows. जब why we are taking the example of cookery shows? Because our chapter name is food. Clear? So in the cookery shows the food is going to be prepared. Clear? So जब भी हम cookery shows देखते हैं, या आपने देखा होगा या आपकी फैमिली ने देखा होगा, they are always saying that to prepare some things we have this type of ingredients, one spoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon this, 1 teaspoon this, particularly different type of items, they have different type of ingredients. Okay, but from this both example we had seen that mostly the ingredients are common. So how? Let us see here. Water, here is also water. Salt, here is also salt. Clear? Oil, here also is oil. Clear? So in most of the items we are taking the common ingredients. Yes, salt is very needed thing. Salt तो चाहिए ही, हम कोई भी चीज ऐसे ही नहीं खा लेते. Clear? Now we have to take the next topic is what? Now the question is arise. Another thing is that how this thing is came from. वो कहाँ से आती है ना, वो क्वेश्चन आता है. क्लियर है कि भाई ये तो हमने चलो सर इसमें से ये बना. क्लियर है, लेकिन ये कहाँ से आया, ये कहाँ से आया वो हमने जाना. राइस कहाँ से आई, ये सारी चीज बन के आई. बट where these type of things comes from? So let us look here. where does it come from? ये तो हमें क्वेश्चन होगा ही कि हमने जो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स देखे थे वो कहाँ से आए. सो दे कम्स फ्रॉम द पर्टिकुलर फूड मटेरियल्स have the two source. One is plant, another is animal. Clear? So we have two source of food materials. One is plant and one is animal. Now the plant is also known as a producer. Why we call the plant as a producer? Because plant is a autotroph. Plant is a producer. Even that the animal is a consumer. जो हम चीज अपने आप से प्रोड्यूस करते हैं ना उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोड्यूसर. लेकिन हमने जो प्रोड्यूस नहीं किया दूसरे के पास से लिया है, वी ऑलवेज से दैट कंज्यूमर. लेने वाला कंज्यूमर होगा जबकि देने वाला प्रोड्यूसर होगा. क्लियर? देखना पड़ेगा हमारा वीडियो स्टार्ट है या नहीं. बहुत बार होता है कि वीडियो ऐसा कि ऐसा ही हम चला लेते हैं लेकिन स्टार्ट नहीं रहता. ठीक है, चालू है वीडियो तो. क्लियर? सो नाउ क्वेश्चन इज अराइज दैट सर you are told that food material source is plant also, but which type of food they are prepared? Okay, example is that vegetable, fruits, spices, etc. Clear? On the same time we also take the example of particularly animal. ठीक है, एनिमल हमें क्या देगा? मीट, एग, मिल्क, हनी. क्लियर? बहुत सारी दूसरी भी चीज देता है बट वो पर्टिकुलरली ये मेन चीज है. दिस इज आवर मेन थिंग्स. फ्रॉम दैट वी कैन प्रिपेयर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फूड. फ्रॉम द मिल्क वी कैन गेट द स्वीट्स. आफ्टर दैट श्रीखंड, बटर, जाम, बहुत सारी चीज हमें मिलती है. क्लियर है? नाउ फूड इज ए प्रोड्यूसर. सो मीन्स व्हाट? दे प्रोड्यूस देयर ओन फूड. Produce their own food. So it is called autotrophs. Clear? Now from this of the things, ये सारे जो एग्जांपल है ना उसमें से हमें क्या मिलते हैं? इंग्रेडिएंट्स मिलते हैं. क्लियर? So how we can define the ingredients? To prepare the different type of this, the materials is needed is known as ingredient. Okay, write this thing or else take a screenshot. मैं साइड में हट जाता हूँ. Clear? So one thing is left here, that in the plant not only they give us fruit, सिर्फ उसका fruit खाने लायक नहीं होता. There are so many parts of the plant we can eat. That plant is also known as edible. ठीक है? Part is eatable. Clear? Okay. So you are right now. I wrote this thing. Now we are going to understand that which part is going to be eatable from the plant. Root भी खा सकते हैं, कई चीज के leaves भी खा सकते हैं. तो हमने बोर्ड रफ कर लिया है, लेकिन अब हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. Which part is going to be eatable from the plant, but not in this session, in the next session. कुछ तो सस्पेंस होना चाहिए आपके लिए. So जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ. I am the Sufyan Way. If you had seen the better content with the good concept, you are with the Sufyan Way. Thank you.